Yes, so to carry out the capacity test on this battery, this is a 1.5 kVA inverter, and let's see how that looks like. Okay, so this is Haisic. Okay, so this is a very portable inverter. It looks very small, very small actually. This is warning. Okay, so you can see this is the warning. It's a danger, high voltage. Okay, also you can see some caution there. So let's see the other side. Is PV 1000. That PV stand for, I think, the maximum PV power. Yes, you can see maximum PV power is 1000, and this 12 means the inverter is a 12-volt system. Okay, so they said rated power is 1500 watts, and you can see something interesting here. They said rated current is 5.2. The accurate power for this is 230 times 5.2, which give us 1200 watts. So this inverter is only 1200 watts and 1500 kVA. Okay, so that's a power factor of 0.8 if you do 1200 divided by 1500. Okay, so you can see the frequency here is 50 hertz or 60 hertz, and you can see it can go bypass up to 10 amps on the AC side, and the maximum AC charging current, that's the battery charging, is 60 amps. And also we can see the PV input is capped at 14 amps, and the maximum open circuit voltage is 125 volts. That means you can use two panels of 50 volts. Okay, so the MPPT range start from 18 volts to 100 volts. So if your panel exceeds that, the inverter might not charge, and you can charge with a current of 60 amps through the charge controller inbuilt. Okay, so this is an off-grid inverter. Okay, so this is an off-grid inverter, and it has some features that we'll look at shortly once we connect the battery. Okay, so let's look at the bottom here. So you can see it has a communication port, it has a BMS port. Interestingly, I'm not sure how that will work. It has AC in, AC out. You can see the on and off button. We also have the battery input, and you can see here we have the PV in as well. So let's open this up and see. This I think is for firmware update, or we can get some information from there. Okay, so we're trying to open this and see the input. So it comes with only one fan. Okay, so it comes with only one fan. I think it's sufficient. Okay, so let's see the inside. Okay, so let's see the connection. Okay, so this looks very tiny. Okay, that PV input, I think, can only take maximum of 4 mm cable or 2.5, because this will not carry more than 14 amps. That is why the terminal looks this tiny. Also, the AC in is a 1 kilowatt, so you won't pass more than 10 amps through these terminals. Okay, so overall, so this is the fan, and this is a vent that directs the cooling into the system. Okay, so overall, let's say this is a budget device. So this is the inverter. So in comparison to the battery, so you can see the size. So let's compare the size. So you can see this battery and the inverter has similar heights. Okay, so it's as if they go hand in hand. Okay, so you can see, yeah, so this is it.